Welcome back to my channel. In this video I bought this Afterlife neon lights from Temu, and in this video I'm going to show you what you get, what's included. Afterlife is a bar in Cyberpunk 2077. It looked absolutely awesome, so I went ahead and bought it. It's a nice addition to my gaming room. Yeah, so let me go ahead and show you what's included in this box, and we're going to power it on and we're going to see how bright it is. This is a neon light, so it should be extremely bright. So this is the box that it arrived in. Simple box. For some reason I thought these were made out of glass. I guess not. Just came in this little bubble wrap. I'm assuming it's acrylic or plastic, but let me take this out and show you guys. All right, so this is a light. As you can see, it's pretty small, and we have exposed wires.
What the
right
shit?
there, right there, right there, right there. And I don't know what happens if they touch. I don't want to find out. These are going for about $16 on Temu. Some of the images on the listing are not exactly what you get. I did notice that in the listing you could not see any of these little wires anywhere in that picture, but you can see them here. But here's the back. So that's how the back looks there. I'm not sure how neon lights work. Alright, so you get this cable, pretty long cable. You get a power on and off switch. It is USB powered. You also get some, like a chain, some screws, and some hooks so you can mount it. Yeah, so these hooks, you put it on the wall and then you can hook them on like that. You get two of them. That's pretty nice. Cool, so let me take this wrapper off. Okay, so I took most of the wrapper out. It looks actually really nice now without that plastic film on there. There are a few areas where I'm not able to get the film out with my fingers. I gotta get like a pick tool or something to get them out. I'll take care of that later, but it actually looks pretty nice. Cool. Now, I'm not sure, I'm not too familiar with neon lights. This is the rear. Does this look like real neon lights? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know. But overall, it looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and power this on, and we're going to see how bright this is. Portable power bank here. This will tell us how much power this will be pulling. Right there. Power it on. Okay, it's about 6 watts. And that is very bright. Look at this. It actually looks really nice. Pretty cool. Afterlife. I'm not sure how accurate this is to the actual game, so I'll put a picture of it right here. I'll put a picture of it and we'll see if it's actually close to it or not. But this is really awesome. I'm going to power off all my lights. I'm going to turn off all my lights. So this thing is very bright. I'm not sure if you can even see it from with the camera here. Let me get closer. Look at that. It's super bright. I'm going to go back. Look how bright that is. It looks really nice. Although it's a little small, it's absolutely awesome. Definitely worth the purchase. We're going to see how long this lasts me, but for 16 bucks, this is awesome. Cyberpunk is one of my favorite games of all time, so it's really nice, really cool to have something like this and to be able to get it for really cheap. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.